In this video, I'm going to show you how to create coupons and discounts. So we're going to navigate over to our products over here on the left-hand side. And then I'm going to come here to discounts. And I'm going to add a new discount. So I'm just going to click over here. And then you would create your discount code. So I'm just going to say 50 off. And then I can choose whether it's a manual or an automatic discount. So the difference between this is that a manual is going to act more like a coupon. So someone is going to have to take that code and manually apply it at checkout. And an automatic discount is going to apply to the products without anyone having to enter discount codes at checkout. So I'm going to leave it as manual. I'm not going to change it to automatic. And then because this is a 50% off, I'm going to make it a 50% value, but you can also change it to a flat amount if you want, and then it's going to be enabled, and I'm going to hit save. So once you've created your discount, you're then going to be able to change a few more settings within the discount. So we have our basic settings over here. So the code, if it's enabled, the type, and it's a manual one. Then we have the discount settings, and here we have the 50%, and then we have something else, which is which products does this apply to? So if you're running a store-wide sale, you can have it apply to all products. But if there are specific items that you want to put on sale for a specific event, then you can do that here. You can specify which products this is going to apply to. So for example, if it's like 50% off all shorts when you sell a bunch of clothes, then all your shorts are going to go on sale, but none of your shirts, and you can select that here. So I'm going to select this, and I want to say that I want to apply it to specific products. But as you can see, you can make it apply to specific products, product variants, categories, surcharges, and things like that. So again, like I said, if you sell clothes and you sell shorts and shirts, all your shorts will be categorized into one area, and that's going to make it really easy for you to put all of your shorts on sale because they'll all have the shorts category. So you can select that. I'm going to select specific products because I don't have that many products anyways. And then over here, you'll see that I'm able to add the products that I want to have this discount applied to. So I'm going to add my products, and let's say that I want the dog bed to be on sale and the dog toys and the dog treats. Those are all going to be on sale, nothing else. And then I'm going to hit add, and those products have then been added to this particular discount. And then I have some advanced settings down here. I can either allow combinations or not. What that's going to do is if this person has multiple discount codes, whether they are going to be allowed to stack those discount codes or not. So I'm going to leave it as no. Then we have a usage limit. You can make it unlimited, so there's no limit to how many times this person can use this code or how many people can use this code, or you can limit it and you can choose the amount of times this particular code can be used. So I'm going to leave that unlimited. Then we have our availability again, if you want this discount to be available to anyone on your website, or if you want it to be available only to specific users. Then we have our subscription settings here, and this is going to decide if the discount applies to the first payment of your subscription product or to all recurring payments of your subscription product, or both or neither. So that is how you can do that as well. So once we've done all of that, we're going to hit save, and I'm going to give you a quick overview of what this looks like when someone places an order. So I'm going to navigate to orders on the left-hand side. And then I'm going to come to invoices, and I'm going to create a new invoice. So again, adding an invoice. Once again, selecting Betty, hit save, and then I want to add those products. So I'm going to come here and add a product, and I'm going to select the dog bed. Let me choose a variant. I'll go with the medium red, hit save, and you can see that there's no discount being applied. That's because our discount code is set to manual. So this user would need to go and apply that discount code to their checkout. So if I navigate back to my products here and I go to discounts and I go into this discount code and I change it from manual to automatic and I hit save and I go back to my invoice over here, then I'm going to need to delete this product quickly from my cart and add that product again. So now when I go to add my dog bed, there we go, my medium red one, and I hit save, you'll see that that discount has now been applied. So the product is costing $75 and there's a discount amount over here that says $75. And if I go ahead and add a product that isn't discounted, like our bow tie, you'll see that the bow tie is being charged the full amount and there's no added discount. But if I go and add another of those discounted products, I think it was the dog toy, you'll see that the dog toy has the discount as well. The discount amount has gone up as well. And one more, I can't remember which one it was, the dog treats, I think were on sale. All right, so those are also only $5. Again, our discount total is over here at $90 now, and this user is only paying $100 for this purchase. So that is how you can set up discounts and create coupons for your products. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up and manage product reviews. I'll see you there.